Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to discuss surface areas and volumes exercise 13.8. In this we are going to see question number 8. So exercise 13.8, question number 8. A dome of building is in the form of a hemisphere. From inside it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96. The cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter. Find the inside surface area of the dome, and second one is volume of the air inside the dome. So what is given here, children? The total cost of whitewashing is given and cost of whitewashing per square meter is given. We need to find out inside surface area. Okay. And next, volume of the air inside the dome. These two things we need to find out. See here, this is the dome in the form of hemisphere. Okay. Here inside only they are whitewashing. Okay. They are doing the whitewashing here. So the total cost is given and cost per square meter is given. We need to find out the surface area. So inside surface area means it represents CSA. Okay, children. See the solution. Cost of whitewashing equal to rupees 498.96. Cost of whitewashing per meter square equal to rupees 2. So we are going to find inside surface area. Inside surface area of the dome. Dome equal to cost by rate. Cost by rate. So here cost equal to rupees 498.96 divided by rupees 2 per meter square. Okay. So now you divide this, rupees cancel. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 9 twos are 18, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16. Okay. Now, what is the answer? 249.48 meter square. So, this is inside surface area of the dome. Okay. It means curved surface area of the dome. 249.48 meter square. Next, we need to find out volume of the air inside the dome. Okay, volume we need to find out. If you want to find volume, you need a radius value. Okay, but radius value is not given in the questions. Instead of the radius, what is given here? Curved surface area we found that. Using this, we need to find out radius. After that, we need to find volume. Okay, children. So, curved surface area of a dome. Okay, curved surface area of the hemisphere. What is the formula, children? 2 pi r square. So, instead of this statement, you are using formulas. Okay, 2 pi r square equal to 249.48 meter square. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into radius we are going to find r square equal to 249.48. Okay, so just you keep r square alone here, 249.48 into the multiplication will change other side, division. Okay, so 2 will change 1 by 2, 22 by 7 will change 7 by 22. Okay, now 2 ones are 2, yeah, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 7 twos are 14, 4 twos are 8. Again divide by 2. 2 11s are 22, 6 twos are 12, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6, 7 twos are 40. Okay, now you divide with the 11 table. Okay, 11 ones are 11, 5 11s are 55, remaining 7 73, 6 11s are 66. Okay, then remaining 7 77 7 times. Now r square equal to 5.67 into 7. Now you multiply this, r square equal to 7 sevens are 49, 9 remaining 4, 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 4 46, remaining 4, 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 4 39. Here 2 decimal is there, so 39.69. Now we need to find out the radius value. So r equal to root of 39.69. Square will change square root. Okay, now taking the square root. Okay, first you take the first 2 digit. Okay, so 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. If you put 7 means 7 7s are 49, is more than this number. Great. Okay, so you choose 6. 6, so whatever number you are putting this, that same number you write. This is long division method. Okay, 6 6 are 36. Now you subtract 3, take the next 2 digit. This decimal you keep there. Okay, 369. Now you multiply the quotient. 2 6 are 12. You always multiply with the 2 only. Okay, 2 6 are 12. That number you write here. Okay, now you decide which number is suitable. Here unit digit is 9. So we can fix it 3. Okay. Or else sometimes 7 also will be apt. But here 3 is suitable for this. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Now subtract this, what you will get? 0. So now radius equal to 6.3. Now we are going to find volume. Volume of air inside the dome. Dome in the shape of hemisphere. So volume of hemisphere, what is the formula, children? Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. 7 ones are 7, 7 nines are 63. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Okay, now you multiply this, 2 into 22 you get 44 into 0.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. Okay, now you multiply these two numbers. 3 4s are 12, remaining 1. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Here 1 decimal is there, you keep here. 13.2 into 6.3 into 6.3. Now you multiply this number. First, except decimal, you multiply. Okay. 63 into 63. 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18. 6 3s are 18, 8 remaining 1, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 1, 37. 9, 16, 6 remaining 1, 8, 9, 3. Now you multiply with 13.2. So except decimal you take 132. 2 9s are 18, 8 remaining 1, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 3 remaining 1, 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1 19 remaining 1, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Next you multiply with the 3. So 3 9s are 27, 7 remaining 2, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2 20, 0 remaining 2, 3 9s are 27, okay. So 27 plus 2, 29, 9 remaining 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2, 11. Next, 1 9s are 9, 1 6 are 6, 1 9s are 9, 1 3s are 3. 8, 10, 0 remaining 1, 10, 10 plus 9, 19 remaining 1, 10, 16, 23, 3 remaining 2, 10 plus 2, 12 remaining 1, 5. So 5, 2, 3, 9, 0, 8. Now see the decimal. So 1 decimal, 1 decimal, 1 decimal. Totally 3 decimal we need to keep. So what is the answer, children? 523.908 meter cube. So therefore, volume of air inside the dome equal to 523.908 meter cube. Do you understand, children? So in this question, the total cost and cost per square meter is given. So first we found the inner surface area. Inner surface area of the dome equal to cost by rate. While dividing this number, what you are getting? 249.48 meter square. This is represent CSA of your dome. Okay, dome is in the shape of hemisphere. So CSA of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. CSA represent curved surface area. Okay, children. So 2 pi r is equal to 249.48 meter square. Okay, using this, first we are finding radius. Okay, after simplifying, what we are getting? R equal to 6.3. Okay, 6.3 meter. Okay, next we are going to find volume of the air inside the dome. So volume we are finding. So volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, after substituting, what result we are getting? 523.908 meter cube. You understand, children? Shall I move on to the next question? See the next question. So ninth one. 27 solid iron spheres, 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r and a surface area s, are melted to form a sphere. Melted, okay, melted to form a sphere with a surface area s dash. So find the radius r dash of the new sphere, and second one, ratio of s and s dash. Okay, see here, this is a sphere, this radius is r, this surface area is s. Okay, like this sphere, how many sphere we have? 27. The same like this we have 27 sphere. So I am melting the 27 sphere. After that, I am getting the new sphere. The big size sphere I am getting. Okay. And this radius, the new sphere radius is R dash. And new sphere surface area is S dash. Okay. First, we are going to find the radius orders of the new sphere. The orders value we are going to find. Okay, children. Solution. Volume of volume of sphere with radius R dash equal to 27 into volume of sphere with radius R. There R dash, here R. Volume of sphere with the radius R dash means this is a new sphere. New sphere radius is represent R dash is equal to 27 into volume of sphere with the radius R. Volume of sphere with the radius R. Okay, children. Because they melted the word they used. Okay, melted means they are representing the volume only. Okay, so R dash we are going to find. Okay, so what is the formula, children? Volume of sphere with a radius R dash. Volume of sphere, what is the formula? 4 by 3 pi R cube. Here R is represent R dash. R dash the whole cube equal to 27 into volume of sphere with the radius R. So 4 by 3 pi R cube. Okay. So both the sides, what is that? 4 by 3, 4 by 3 cancel, pi cancel. Okay. Here R dash the whole cube equal to 27 into R cube. Okay. So we need to find out the radius alone. So the cubic will change cubic root. Okay. So R dash equal to cubic root of 27 R cube. Now you split this cubic root of 27. How can you split? 3 into 3 into 3 into R cube. How can you write? R into R into R. Okay. So cubic root means out of 3 you have to take 1 out. Okay. So 3 here 3 R's are there. So 1 R you take it. So R dash equal to 3R. So R dash equal to 3R. Okay. So the radius R dash of the new sphere equal to radius R dash of the new sphere equal to 3R. Okay. Next, we are going to see the second substitution. We are going to solve this. The second substitution is a ratio of S and S dash. S is represent surface area of the 27 solid sphere. S dash is represent surface area of the new sphere. Okay. So we are going to find a ratio of S by S dash. Okay, ratio of S and S dash. Okay, equal to, so S surface area of the 27 solid sphere. Okay, so what is the formula? Surface area of the sphere 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square divided by S dash. So what is the formula? 4 pi Here radius is r dash. So r dash the square equal to, okay, see here in this, here 4 cancel, 5 cancel, r square divided by r dash. R dash is represent 3r. 3r the whole square. Okay. So r square divided by 3 square you get 9. R the whole square r square, because the 2 is common for both. Okay. You know very well ab whole power m equal to a power m b power m. So 3r the whole square is represent 3 square r square. So 3 square 9 r square. Now the r square cancel. So 1 by 9. So therefore the ratio of S and S dash is 1:9. You understand, children? 10th one. A capsule of medicine is in the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5 millimeter. How much medicine is needed to fill this capsule? Okay, so here meter cube we should give the answer. Okay, so the capsule in the shape of this sphere, and what is given? Diameter. So the diameter is 3.5 millimeter. Okay, so how much medicine is needed to fill this capsule means it represents the capacity, it represents the volume. Okay, so volume we need to find out, volume of a sphere we need to find out. Okay, so what is given? Diameter is given, we need to find out the volume. Solution: diameter equal to 3.5 millimeter. Okay, just you remove the decimal, so you have to multiply with the 10, numerator and the denominator. So what you will get? 3.5 into 10 by 10, you will get 35 by 10. Next, radius equal to half of the diameter, so 35 by 10 into 1 by 2. So what you will get? 35 by 20 millimeter. Next, we are going to find volume. So volume of capsule equal to, what is the formula? Volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube, cubic units. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius 35 by 20 into 35 by 20 into 35 by 20. Okay. Now cancel this. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20, 5 ones are 5, 5 7s are 35, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Next, 11 2s are 22, 10 2s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. Okay, then any other possibilities are there, children? See here, 4 5s are 20, 7 5s are 35. Next, any other possibilities? No. Now, what are the numbers are there in the numerator? 11, 7, 7. Okay, so 11 into 7 7s are 49 divided by here 3, 2 and 4. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Now you multiply this. 49 into 11. 9 4, 9 4, add this 9, 3 remaining 1 5, 539. 539. 39 by 24. Now you divide this. $539 divided by 24. In 53, how many times it occurs? 2 times. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So now 13 minus 8 you get 5, 59. Now how many times it occurs? 2 times, 48. So 9 minus 8, 1, 5 minus 4, 1. So after that we can't divide, so keep the decimal and add 1 0. In this how many times occur? 4 times. 4 4s are 16, 6 remaining 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 110 minus 96. Okay, so how many times it occur? First you subtract this, 10 minus 6, 4. Okay, 10 minus 9, 1, 14. Okay, now you add 1 0, 140, 5 times. 5 4s are 20, 0 remaining 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 12, 10 plus 2, 12. You subtract 140 minus 120, you get 20. Next you add 1 0. How many times it occur? 8 times. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. So 2 remaining 3. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3, 90. Now 200 minus 192, what you will get? 8. Okay, start till that. Okay, children. So what is the answer you are getting? While dividing this number, what you are receiving? 22.478 millimeter cube. This is approximately we are saying, because the remainder never becomes 0, it will goes on. Okay, so we stop till that. 22.458 millimeter cube. Okay, so what is the answer? What is the question they asked? How much medicine is needed to fill this capsule? So what is the answer? 22.458 millimeter cube of medicine needed. Medicine is needed to fill this capsule. Do you understand, children? So here diameter is given. First we found the radius. After that we find the capacity of this. Okay, capacity of the capsule we find it. Okay, so diameter equal to 3.5 millimeter. So we converted into 35 by 10. Okay, the next radius equal to half of diameter. So divide by half, what you are getting? 35 by 20. Next volume of capsule equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. We substitute the values. After simplification, what you are getting? 539 by 24. Now I am dividing this number. After dividing, what I am getting? 22.458 millimeter cube. So 22.458 millimeter cube of the medicine is needed to fill this capsule. Do you understand, children? Thank you, children.